in Minnesota, we have another kind of large scale ministry. We serve lunches every day of the week. We have dinners that we serve on the weekends, hot dinners that we serve on the weekends. And we have a really beautiful clothing closet. And it's multiple rooms, and we have kind of a personal shopper that will take people through, and you can pick out boots and coats and toiletries and sheets, all that sort of stuff. First time I ever went, they trained me essentially to be a personal shopper, and I got to go through, and I got to have parents with kids, and I couldn't speak the language, but we sort of pointed, and the kids took their toys. It was just this very human experience. One of the people that was there was telling me that it makes such a difference that at the end of this shopping experience, we folded their clothes, right? We didn't just take this, the leftovers and we shoved them into a paper bag. Like, it was really you are our equal as a human being, you know? I'm looking through. I mean, I see other people sort of like talking with folks and saying, this color would look great on you, right? How about this shade of nail polish or whatever it is? This normalcy that a lot of us take for granted, right? Because of our economic prosperity, just passing that on. And that little note of like, you guys actually bother to fold my clothes. It feels like a real store. I mean, it's the little thing, right? That's where the dignity and that's where the real transformation happens.